19514 Pawnee Street, Cleveland. This is right outside of Euclid. I mean, Euclid is at the end of the street right there. Nice street, nice homes, big, lots of parking on this one. Aluminum siding, newer vinyl windows in it. It's got a double car garage. Let's go inside. We just updated this. So I'll start with the basement. Nice big basement here. Glass block windows. You got the PVC drain lines there. You got a newer water heater. And the heater's pretty new too. Looks like 3-4 years old. And then you have a newer electrical box and a lot of storage. So there's your laundry's right over there, and you can see there's brand new turn-off valves, and you got a 220 or gas if you want a gas heater there, or a 220. So you have both options here at this house. So let's go upstairs, and you go right into the kitchen area. Brand new flooring, all redone kitchen cabinets. Right there's a new flooring. Big kitchen. And then you have a pantry, kind of a whatever utility type room. You have a lot of storage there. And then you have a full bathroom right here on the first floor. So you have a tub and a shower, all that's right here. Then from the kitchen, you go into the dining room. You have this here. You have a room here. You can make it a bedroom, a den, whatever you want. It's a nice just to make it a 4-bedroom if you want to make it a bedroom, but it's also a nice if you have a home office, or the last person that lived here did that. And then you have a nice big living room area. A lot of entertainment area, great front porch, all new paint interior, all new blinds, and again, newer vinyl windows. You see the nice color tone on this. It's just a nice house, a lot of room. And then it has a master suite upstairs and 2 other bedrooms. Let's go up here. One thing I like about this house too, it has a lot of room and storage. So here's the first bedroom. This is your master. So you have a nice area right there. That's the closet, and there's the bathroom, has a shower, it's a full bath. And then again, you have a nice big area, window air conditioners, and just a nice big bedroom. And then you have like this open space, sitting room. Then you have another bedroom right here. Again, vinyl windows, new paint. You have a nice big area right here. You can use what as a closet, a storage, whatever you want. It's kind of a walk-in. I think it's for this particular bedroom here, but it does have another closet here. So plenty of storage. These are roomy places. This is a nice house. So again, this is your virtual tour, but this is gonna be a 3, or if you want to make that other one a 4th bedroom, 2 bath, wide open floor plan, double car garage. Very rare find. Thanks. This is the end of your virtual tour.